Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I want to tell you about a bingo thing that I'm going to be doing. Since everybody's stuck at home, I thought I would do a bingo party online. So let me tell you, if you purchase the, what is it called? The Darling Label Punch Box. So you'll purchase this from me. Use this host code CFW67Y4Z. It comes, if you are a brand new stamper, this is going to be great. And then I'm also going to show you a card right after this, so stay tuned. But in the box, you get this great punch. You get all of these beautiful stamps that can be punched out with that punch. You also get Grapefruit Grove and Night of Navy ink spots, and then you will get an acrylic block. So if you purchase this and you purchase some very vanilla note cards and envelopes or Whisper White note cards and envelopes, but when you purchase these two together, it's going to put you over the $50 mark because you're going to purchase this by the end of March. And that means you get a free celebration item. So I'm going to be doing a bingo event using all of this. And then also, whoever orders, they will get specific. Now, where did I do? I went and lost them. It was specific bingo cards. Where did it go? I went and lost them, but they're bingo cards. And we're going to play bingo, and we are going to make cards online and craft together. And I'll be able to see you. You'll be able to see me. It will be awesome. We can talk. When you get bingo, you yell out bingo. There will be tons of Stampin' Up! Prizes for you to win. And oh my gosh, it will be a good time. So let's go ahead and get on into, I'll put all the information down below in the description box. But if you wanted to go ahead and purchase that, I will also be sending you your bingo dauber. I'll be sending you your bingo cards, and I will be sending you some extra goodies to go with the whole event. And I think it'll be so fun. And we'll have a few cards to make and stamp together and play together and talk together. And I don't know, I just want to be able to hang out with you guys. So I know we can't really all hang out in person, but I think we could do it online, and I think we would have a great time. So let's go ahead and make one of the cards that I made at my last bingo event that I did in person. And fortunately, I can't hold it again this month, but I would like to do one online, so that'll work out perfect. We have a Whisper White sheet cut in half and then scored in half there, so that brings it to 5.5 by 4.25. Then I have a piece of I think this is Grapefruit Grove, and that is cut 1/4 inch smaller there on each side. And then I've got another piece of Whisper White, and that is cut at another 1/4 inch smaller. So this is going to be so quick and so easy. This particular stamp set we're using is going to be the Welcome Easter. This time I'm going to be using the little bunny rabbit and the Sweet Friend. So we're using Sweet Friend, the bunny rabbit, and we'll use some leaves there. And I'm getting out my Memento ink. And we use the Memento ink because it will not run when you use the alcohol pens. So I'm going to just line this up here at the top and just stick it right there. Well, that didn't work. We're going to do it again. Well, That's a little bit better. I don't know what I was thinking. And I'm going to take the leaves and we're just going to put random leaves here and there. And I think we're good, actually. Then I'm going to take the little bunny. We're going to put him down in the corner. There we go. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little black fine liner journaling pen, and I am actually going to, first things first, fix this little D there. See how easy that was? Okay, we want to make sure that we're going to put corner marks. So I'm going to do that first. And we're going to put those corner marks about 1/4 of an inch at each space. Now that we have our corners, you can put some dots at the end of each one. And if there's anything in its way, you just go right over it. So we're going to put some more little dots, and then I'll do one, and then I'll do a line here, and then I'll do 3 dots, and then a line. So this one I did squiggles and dots. This one I'm going to do dots and lines. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So notice I didn't put a dot there because there was something in the way. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 again, all the way around. And if it's in the way here, we'll just start again. So I'm going to start over here. And then same thing going up. A little bit of a line. I'll start here. So there you go. So those are with the lines, these are with the squiggles. You could do whatever you would like. So I want my little bunny to have just a little bit of color. So I'm just going to take a marker here, a blend, and it's just the crumb cake light, and I'm kind of just going around the edge. Nothing really fancy there. And I'm not even going all the way down. I'm just kind of giving him a little bit of color. And that's really it. You don't have to do a lot. And then I'm going to take in the same color, which is Grapefruit Grove. That's where I'm going to color his ears. And that's what's going to make it kind of blend into that and make it some kind of a little bit cohesive there. And then I'm going to take his little feet and again, just do a little bit. You don't have to do the whole thing. And since I did that, I am going to go and put some brown here, some crumb cake. And then we're going to just take the markers and color in our little leaves here. Now, what I'm showing is that you can color these in with your whole entire marker if you'd like, or you can do a mix of both. So I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to take a piece, not a piece, of some soft foam, soft sea foam, and we're going to color in the other side. So it gives it a little bit of dimension. So whatever you have on hand, use it. And this is the Seafoam Dark. Okay. Now with the Seafoam Light, I'm going to use that as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give him a little bit of a shadow. See there? Now, this is quick. This is easy. And so this is the kind of stuff that, like I said, we did for our bingo. I'm going to give some dimension here by putting some dimensionals, and everyone who attended my last bingo got a thing of dimensionals since we used dimensionals. So I'm not saying that's exactly what you'll get in this online bingo, but I try and give you what you need for the most part. The only thing people had to bring were their paper snips and their snail adhesive. Everything else I kind of provided, which will be the same for this bingo class. And oh my gosh, we had hundreds of dollars of prizes, and it was a lot of fun. So I'm going to give it some dimension by popping that guy up. And then, since it's so flat, I'm going to give it another bit of dimension by doing this again. So you see, I messed up the first time, but then we just flipped that paper over because it had two sides. And then I messed up the other side, but we were able to fix that with just a quick little pen. So with that, if you are a brand new stamper and you get this little box that I'm telling you about, the Darling Label punch box, and you are brand new, I would suggest buying a pair of paper snips, buying probably a Memento ink would be good, and buying one of these take your pick tools along with the snail adhesive. If you have that, you are good to go. I mean, we can make a lot of cards with just those essentials. So if you wanted to try stamping and you are sitting at home quarantined, I'm sure you're tired of that word, but this would be a great little thing to have. So I wanted to show you that. And here's the original one. And here's this one. They're very similar, but you know, I decided to go with squiggles here and lines here. So that was a quick and easy card. If you like that, please give me a thumbs up. Remember, you can order any of this at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. I'm going to be doing tons of crafts this week. I've just got home from California. We risked Disneyland the day that everything went down, but I think we're okay. So I got home, and then today I had to go out and get all my groceries because since I was out of town, I didn't have any groceries. Oh my gosh, you guys, you cleaned it all out, but that's okay. I was able to get what I needed. It was very nice. People were very nice out there in the world. So now I think we're all just getting ready to hang out, have some fun, and I hope I see you guys on here. Make sure you hit that little bell so you are reminded. And you guys, if you're not on the Beauty and the Stamper Facebook page, make sure you check it out because I am going to be doing some lives on there. I figured might as well try it. I haven't done that ever, and I think it'll be fun. So, all right. please, please give me a big thumbs up if you like that. I certainly do, and I think it's cute and sweet for Easter. And I will talk to you later. Bye.